said they were okay.
That is
I think sir, it will be an interesting game. Over has no wafana, everything to play for.
What I know
I think that
some game no
yes.
One young guy.
You will be capable. Not quality bonus, but we jam out. Yes, you. Oh, not quality. They say we believe in quality.
A bad result in has now. It was a bad result for two reasons. One, we share relegation for now. Usenya and Eligua, you are on the upsurge. Obobona, normally you have to settle in and play very well. Unfortunately, has a consider Esako behind. Then you come back and equalize. And I think that if they are chasing for the league title, they are some of these areas you have to pick the maximum 3 points. I do not know what is wrong with how to focus on the road this season. Apart from Ashanti Goda, or managing 3 points, and still are points in and I think that Tamale was one of those centers. Of course, frustration, intimidation, no mobile, no more complaints. It means that has and Kaka has a bit of consistency. But Coach Frank Nuttall problem and that is the defensive midfield area. So one solution you might have the best of defenders but you still concede goals, and that is why I had to focus. I concede goals will league they are leaking goals anymore for nation, which is not bad. They are getting the goals, which is not bad. If you
don't convert into 3 back,
I don't know.
It's a better solution.
So because now make us say especially after some Malik Zuko Prime there, and we say a big of a problem at the moment in that defensive midfield area, and so Ubo game will be a member some part of midfield no, and a Kwaya Bafaswa Shigu and a Kwaya Faswa won't concede goal. There's a house in you goes to not say it's no for no so leaking in the goals a bit unfortunate. I think say and it was a bad result for Hearts of Oak. I said Komunya 3 points. It should have been their second away win of the season. That kebe pure imagine baby, especially when the man was 17 for no. I no more home. Expecting some big results in the now I say Tema Kotoko we internalize fewer Kotoko goes actually this season. 15 other teams now including Ashanti Gold, Boga All Stars, Media Manu Biaka should go change Kotoko this season.
Poku next year champions, almost goals.
Yeah, Obia should go change Kotoko. Kotoko has 9 goals in the season.
Now also Obia to Kotoko.
Obia apart from Interlice, 16 teams Kotoko Interlice now the least scoring club.
So senior.
Almost 8. Kotoko
Kotoko considered the one
about goals side in they are one of the best in terms of not conceding goals. They are one of the best.
Okay.
But Mamina and Nyama said no coach Nika said they will need a finisher up front. They will need a finisher up front because over 16 club league. Now you want to win the league. Near Pomo Masha goals this season, what also 15 there. Including Obo Mario, Ashanti Gold are worrying Washe goes to Channel.
Sure.
Boga All Stars not fighting relegation, Washe goes to Channel. Which is serious. If you ask me, then it's dangerous. So if you cannot convert your chances there, then it's becoming increasingly serious. And Canada can make us are not conceding. But the last 6 matches, and so it's gradually taking away that myth. We have to so air concede goals maybe, especially from open play. But on the flanks nearby, they are not able to deal with those situations very well. So they are also conceding. And a bit surprising, so all Kotoko defenders no more caliber. Who are Ahmed Adams.
I said I'm conceding 1 goal.
I'm conceding 1
goal. Scored 1.
And I make us already the last 6 games so Mabona. Goals no more considering the caliber of defenders now. You would want to say it's only almost strength in Kenya. Because these are the caliber of defenders or more. But so the last 6 games, don't want to pick 2 points out of 18. So won't say consider goals in that rate there. Then you want to say then anyone to mention it also is becoming a problem. It's also becoming a problem. So they need to solve that problem very early. No, the base of performance, I think it was good. And the main I'm saying Richard Atta no Wow Stars no Kotokoya Kulusi so by the rest of the season loan Ediamomo
or currently playing for
Wow Stars. I think he's on 3 goals this season.
So no Kotoko
two.
Kotoko strike and answer chain.
I've seen one more.
no more.
So I'm see injury. And
now Richard no a very good striker.
And on the basis of last season there, he's better than all the Kotoko Carrying strikers. So last season, I think you know.
But then Richard Data, Kotoko Kasu will go in for Richard Data. To be honest with you, last season he wasn't bad, but no one cut top strikers, goal scorers. Now the partnership with Emmanuel Okran, now Emmanuel Okran crowd any mukakra. Now the Omuni CC, so Emmanuel Okran no friend Black Stars. So okay, but Emmanuel Okran no then call MLS. The last time I got to call, I call your second round pitches. Yeah, a huge resource. The last time, I had 2012. Yeah, got to go far. Sure. Got to go fast our players. And don't forget, that season, you know, before the close of the first round, now a certain Atania Samoashi 6.
Oh wow.
Oh wow. And I got to go far the buy. Obe Ruben was shot so a day. Oh, she goose because I'm the form in here. Kumasi Asante got to go kwa for player. I'm kind of say for now. Also, I'm for player and the form on the year. Yeah, goes to 1 and 9 for now. Because I yes, expectation here high. But obe expect so about 2 Yakubu, obe 2 Kwamboatin. But I can't
Yakubu no.
Yeah.
What is wrong with him?
I think it's a period of inactivity.
It's
a period. You see, now make us say Kotoko strikers in now. More CV league in the Yakubu. And time Upuzamia or penalty box in the predator in the box. Almost strikers near Yakubu. He gets himself into the box more often than any of almost strikers now. Unfortunately, meaning it's a period no alternative 1 season no alternative, you know, and it's a 1 year a proper pre-season to condition him for that level on the air. I told him like a craving kakara. You see that inactivity with him, and it's a player at the future time. You know, say he has to go to a face.
Time now the time you know you need the same period
to build yourself up.
What's not 6 months? I take you 6 months.
And so senior
what's not 1 year?
It was wrong on the part of Luga to start Awa Mohammed. To start him because no results on eBay. When we say too late inclusions a bad league that of Wenfo Kobna and Awa Mohammed. Too late inclusions when and they beneficial for now. Because room for every Saudi buy and I want to fee and obey league in the boy. So this is the problem of Asante
Kotoko. Name was asked for him to accuse so almost say he's a number 10, no using number 8, and it's not helping them.
But he's playing effectively, and now one of them.
Our hasn't been bad.
You see the
sense or reverting to the center.
The normal rule, no, but it's so bad. It's not goes in Zubay. No, we are not listening.
When you want 1, 2
go. But the Kotoko problem for me, Yemini Uno, and yes, a place from Munibio, and yes, a Kotoko lucky player, Kotoko lucky materials, but teamwork is not there. Teamwork
it will take time.
It will take time.
One of the major areas and I got to condition goals last season, set pieces. So mobile corner, now free kicker, no more center backs, no, they were predators in the box. This season, I've realized one other problem. Set pieces, has been woefully delivered, and which is that there's no plan. So in open play, if you are not going to create chances and score goals, or defenders won't hide this hour. A bit to say, I would not
because I don't see.
You don't see them. You see, say, won't mean create chances from open player. Players are
take advantage
of the set piece, especially.
Let some drop.
Especially when who are skillful players to get you those fouls. Easily, Baba Mama, easily teams.
Anyway, Kwambwa,
no, he was on the bench.
No,
he was on the bench. He was on the bench.
You see why America say Kotoko lacking materials. Kotoko lacking materials. Akaso meshisha materials ni ye. Let him work in the back.
From point, there's nothing.
That is what on some na catch us say. Kotoko best game so far. Every season, because Omo against the best team.
And they played well.
A squad or more than a
now we catch him say Ediana is not the best team. Wafa is the best team. Nibakura argument they say Luga Pukuminim then is how you guys will react to this. And then I'll say Wafa is the best team on the basis of the points they have amassed.
Okay.
Omni Ediana board draw. Ediana and Shom home send home. And they have been beat Wow Stars near the but Luga beat Wafa.
It happens, but many coaches bear 5.
Look at say Wafa, but they couldn't beat Ediana yesterday.
That makes Ediana the best team. It makes them the best.
That is looking at one. Omar said then Luga was better
than. No, Luga
was better than who?
On the born there, you pick
Luga was better than
one game
beating Wafa.
The league leader.
No. When we game my boy, there's a lot of history behind our game. When Kotoko is playing against an academy side, Kumasia, it's always going to be the day for Kotoko. But Kotoko against the Diana Stars, at the time when Diana Stars won the pick, I think something performance why you Juma because you watch the game. Ediana was a delight to watch. At the time, Kotoko right fullback anywhere, 2 million anywhere. Now I say coach converting be an unfamiliar role. And what's the Diana strength?
The attitude of the players was better.
I think so. I was saying I'm proud of
one of the things working on is gradually Kotoko can play beyond probably 65-70 minutes and so sustain that level.
And another point, they say the holding midfielder should always help the defenders. On the ball na keeper na pia by na on boss. Usually it's our balls no. You see N'Golo Kante will be going far. You see holding midfielders going there to clear the ball.
Okay.
Ball na beating defenders. Yeah,
sure.
From nowhere. That track is running the other ball and
sure.
So they
consider it was pure lack of marking on the movement of players. You know, because Ediana going was pure movement.
Ediana for no used to movement.
Player
they did what said they
were brilliant.
I'm getting loads of text messages and WhatsApp. 020-2633328. Just a quick 10. 020-2633328. Na ya can be na afia. So there other subjects. No, Frimpong also said he will need some new players. Ora Kwesi Nyantakyi finally again has confirmed he's not contesting for the FA seat in 2019. Kwesi Appiah and other matters.